This is eBook Writer AI, your shortcut to creating real, professional ebooks without having to write a single word yourself. Here's how it works. First, give your ebook a topic, a title, and a short description, something simple. A few words is all it takes to get started. Choose if you want images added automatically to your ebook. Want to monetize? Automatically add affiliate links based on keywords, or drop in your own links manually later. Choose how many pages you want. 20, 50, even 100 plus, you're in control. Pick the AI model you want to use. GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, and others are all available. Select your audience, writing style, and language. Need a casual tone? Formal? Professional? Easy. Now choose your formatting options, fonts, layout, spacing, and if you want an AI-generated cover image, just click once. Or upload your own. Hit Generate and let eBook Writer AI take care of the rest. Your ebook is created page by page, complete with a table of contents, chapters, formatting, links, and images. And yes, you can edit anything before downloading. Change the title, rewrite a section, add images and links, whatever you want. Download your ebook and use it for Kindle, lead magnets, list building, or sell it directly. You pay once for a set amount of credits each month. Your credits renew every month. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Just an easier way to create ebooks month after month. Go ahead and choose your plan below. eBook Writer AI. Create, publish, profit.